Good afternoon, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Nazrin, and I feel happy to start today's debate. The topic of our debate is Angvastra versus coat and cap. What should we choose? Clothes are not only for style, they show our culture, personality, and values. Some people believe Angvastra is best because it is traditional, simple, and part of Indian culture. Some people think coat and cap are better because they look formal, smart, and are good for modern life, like offices and interviews. Today we have two teams, Team Angvastra, Chandni, Shabnoor, and Ruby. Team Coat and Cap, Ikra, Arpita, Khwahish, and Achal. Each speaker will give their opinion, so let us listen carefully. Learn something new for both sides. Now let's begin the debate. I invite our first speaker, Chandni.
Namaste, I am Chandni and I stand in favor of Angvastra. This is not just a cloth. Namaste, I am Chandni and I stand in favor of Angvastra. This is not just a cloth, it is a symbol of Indian tradition, culture and respect. In our country, when we honor someone, we offer them an Angvastra. It is not something new. Our saints, kings and freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi and leaders like Dr. Kalam wore it with pride. Even today, leaders wear it in parliament and during cultural events. It represents Indian values like simplicity, peace and humility. Why are we so quick to accept coat and cap but shy to wear what belongs to us? It connects us to our roots. If we don't value our tradition, who else will? Let us not copy others blindly. Let us celebrate our own identity with pride. Thank you.
Thank you, Chandni, for your powerful words. Now I invite our next speaker, Ikra.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Ikra and I support the coat and cap. While I request tradition, I believe the coat and cap are better for present and future. They are smart, professional and widely accepted. When we go for interviews, official meeting or school functions, formal dressing is expected. Coats give us a confident and serious look. It shows we are ready and responsible. Today, the world is connected. People from India work in foreign companies, attend global events and represent our country in international stages. In such places, the coat and cap help us fit in and follow the global dress code. In modern life, tradition and professionalism must go together. Thank you.
Thank you, Ikra. Welcome our next speaker, Shabnoor.
Namaste, I am Shabnoor. The Angvastra is far more than a traditional garment. It carries great meaning and deep respect. In many Indian states, it is used to welcome guests, honor elders, and mark moment of dignity. When we wear Angvastra, we make a statement. I am proud of who I am and where I come from. Even today, leaders like Prime Minister Modi ji wear Angvastra at special events and international visits. Not because it is old-fashioned, but because it represents India's rich heritage and enduring values. We should never feel hesitant or ashamed of our traditional clothing. If we forget it, we risk forgetting a part of identity. Let's carry our history with us with pride and confidence. Thank you.
Thank you, Shabnoor. Our next speaker will be Arpita.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Arpita and I stand in support of coat and cap. Clothing is not just about tradition, it's about purpose too. The coat and cap bring discipline and equality. In school and workplace, uniform often include a coat because it gives clean and organized appearance. Everyone look equal. There is no difference of class, religions or background. That's the beauty of formal wear. Also when we wear a coat in interview or presentations, we are taken more seriously. It's tell people that we are prepared and professional. Angvastra can be worn on cultural occasion, but the coat is the perfect for the modern world. We don't have to choose one and leave the other. We can love our traditional and still dress for success. That's the smart way forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Arpita. I hope you are enjoying our debate. I would like to call again Chandni.
I believe that Angvastra is not only part of our culture, it is also supports our economy. It is made by Indian viewers using handlooms and eco-friendly fabric. When we wear Angvastra, we support their work, we keep the art alive. Do you know how many people in villages earn by making traditional clothes? It's a whole chain of hardworking people behind one piece of Angvastra. Also, it is very suitable for our Indian weather. Coats are heavy and tight, made for cool climate. India is a hot country, so why wear something uncomfortable just to look formal? Angvastra is light, easy to carry and show respect and tradition at the same time. Let's not forget the richness of our own culture while chasing modern style. Thank you.
Thank you, Chandni. Welcome our next speaker, Khwahish.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Khwahish. I believe in coat and cap because they prepare us for the global stage. The world today is fast, fierce, interconnected and competitive. To succeed, we must look forward, not backward. The coat and cap give us an international presence, ensuring that we look formal and prepare us for business meetings, job interviews and academic competitions. But let's remember, culture is not just in clothes. It lives in our language, traditions, and values. Even if we wear coats, we still celebrate our festival, honor our customs, and stay connected to our roots. Smart dressing is not about forgetting who we are. It's about ensuring confidence, evolution, and global leadership. This is what India needs today. Thank you.
Thank you, Khwahish. Now I invite Ruby.
Namaste, I am Ruby. Angvast is woven with emotional and national pride. It is more than just clothing, it carries India's essence. Every design, every fold tells a story of heritage, family and traditions. Here's something to think about. When foreign visitors come to India, they excited to wear our traditional attire. They embrace our colors, fabric and our cultural symbolism with enthusiasm. But when we as Indian often hesitate to wear our own heritage. Why? Angvast makes us stand out, not blend in. It represents the heart of India, our diversity, our elegance and our identity. Let's wear it with the pride it deserves. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruby. Our next speaker, Achal.
afternoon. I'm Achal. I feel that the coat and cap are a smart choice for today's life. In school events, office functions, or competitions, we are expected to look formal. They make us feel confident and ready, but that does not mean we must leave our traditions behind. We can wear Angvastra on cultural days, festivals, and families. And we need to be a formal and professional. We don't have to choose one forever. The real smartness is knowing what to wear when. Mixing traditions with modern life, that is the best way forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Achal. Now please be ready for the conclusion.
By choosing Angvastra for our graduation ceremony, we honor our identity and stand tall in the beauty of our own tradition.
The coat and cap help us grow, thrive, and succeed today's fast-changing world.
Let's respect both traditions, and whatever tradition you decide, we accept it. Thank you.